Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get all flowers and blocks fruits 2024. So in this location right here, I'm going to just follow through me step by step. It's actually here, one of these area right here. You can find it on the crevices of the building here on top. Let's just flow through a little bit above here. You can find it also lying here, and that's the next location. Now moving on to the top of the roof here, you could actually also find a flower here. So again, all the flowers could be found in the same location that I just showed you. On the green zone here, you can also find it here on these exact spot that I just landed right now. Okay, so and on this part of the island right here, because this flower only spawns at night, so we're going to have to do this at night. So go through this island right here while you get routed to, yeah, just follow these locations. And the next one is you actually have to kill an NPC for the next flower here on Grave Island. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.